was trying to push it into a Olympic sport also, because of the physics and the technique involved. Synchronized bombing, pretty much. Yeah, that'd be a goal for me to push one day in the future.
Hey, no matter where you are in the world or wherever, most people will dive into the water. We do our way.
Yeah, I believe we're the originators of it. It's a Kiwi pastime, it's part of our culture. In the 90s, they called it Mangere. That's what I was brought up with. They changed the Manus. I don't know exactly where that came from. There's many people's opinions of the origins. Now it's Manus, now it's tucked, V-bombs, whatever these young fellas call it. So yeah.
When kids see someone execute or perform a Manu bomb perfectly and it goes very high, then he becomes a superstar in the pool, so to speak.
I used to jump off the wharf in the car with my uncle. He's the one who got me into bombing, and he just encouraged all of us cuzzies to jump in the river. And if you didn't, you had to walk home to these veterans, bro. He's the one who made me start Bomb Life New Zealand. Obviously gone down to Hawaii now, a lot of them are doing it in Hawaii. Germany's picked it up, America, even Cuba, they're not bad at it too.
We are trying to find the very first Manu world champ. Could they be from Aotearoa?
To be honest, it's a physics game. There's a lot to it. It's not just jumping in and making a big splash, but making it straight up, nice and clean.
Well, I was about 6 or 7, so about 40 years. I think it's choice that form of diving is getting noticed, and there's a bit of a competition on. There was some mean bombers out there. A bit of body mass, but technique. You've seen those fellas out there, far out.
Wow, from like a decade ago, this wasn't even possible. To see the tamaraki, the rangatahi out there going for, having a mean time, so bro, it's done so well as a sport. Who knows, Red Bull might pick it up and instead of doing the clip diving, we're doing the bombs, so yeah.